Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to clear your all chats on ChatGPT. Why would you want to know how to clear your all chats on ChatGPT? Well, maybe it is your first time using ChatGPT and not sure how to clear your all chats on ChatGPT. So today I am going to show you how to clear your all chats on ChatGPT. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Clearing your all chats on ChatGPT is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for all devices. Let me show how you will clear your all chats on ChatGPT. First of all, open ChatGPT account in your Chrome, and now here is my ChatGPT home screen. And then click on three dot next to your email, and now click on settings. And then in this page, click on clear in red color and then confirm it. Now your all chats has been successfully deleted from ChatGPT. So there you go. If you were wondering how to clear your all chats on ChatGPT, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.